Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Ann and I've been self-converting a 32-foot GMC Bluebird into a mobile tattoo and art studio in the front and a tiny home in the rear. This week I didn't really do a whole lot, but I did what I could, and that was curtains. So I'm going to show you a little bit of footage of me putting up curtains, but honestly I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to put up curtains. I am going to show you what I used instead of the standard hooks that you use to hang them in. I know curtains are very exciting, but it's really nice because I did have the 2-inch foam board in the windows, especially during the winter. That was really helpful. But I wanted to get rid of those because when you take them out of the window, you have to store them somewhere and they take up a whole lot of space. And so since summer's here and I'm not really going to need those as much and I need the windows open, seems like a lot more sense to put up curtains. That way the wind can still come through. So it's these, you know, typical hooks that you usually use for your curtain rods. Instead of that, I went with these, which I can put the link for in the description. But these are nice because they have an adhesive on the back. You just peel this off and you can lift this up so it adjusts to a lot of different size curtain rods, which is nice. And so another bonus to this, excuse me, another bonus to these, besides not really creating holes in your wall, which is cool, is that it's going to get that a lot closer to the window. And so it makes for a snug fit with the curtains, so they're less likely to like get moved around a whole lot or anything, which is really good on a moving vehicle when you have animals as well. So yeah, I used these. I put them on the wall and then I put the rods on with some curtains. I do have another curtain coming that I'm really excited for. It's really cool. But unfortunately that curtain is going to be here between sometime May 18th and June 8th. So I went ahead and put up all the other ones that I have, but that one will be installed in the front eventually, and I'll make sure to just show you guys a quick little snippet amongst whatever else I'm doing whenever those do come in. But yeah, I'm just going to show you what the curtains look like. Thanks so much for watching. Please give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and because we still have cabinets, mini split installation, trim, water to do, so there will be more interesting videos than curtains from here on out. So I can't wait to share that with all you guys. Thanks so much for my patrons, and I'll go ahead and show you what the curtains look like, and I'll catch you next Sunday. Hello.